Cabinet met today and amended the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code via an ordinance. And even as we await President Ramnath Kovind's approval, there's good news in store for aggrieved home buyers. CNBC TV 18 learns that the changes in the IBC entail home buyers to be treated as financial creditors. Now, this implies that home buyers will be accorded benefits similar to banks and institutional creditors if a realty company were to undergo insolvency proceedings. Timsy Jaipuria, who broke that story, joins us now. Timsy, this is clearly a boost for home buyers who were earlier treated as unsecured creditors. But take us through the other key amendments as well.
Well, the Union Cabinet today gave a nod to some of the key recommendations made by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Law Committee, which will now be implemented in the code via an ordinance that will get presidential nod as soon as by tonight or early tomorrow morning, has recommended three key changes. Firstly, a breather for home buyers. Home buyers will now be treated at par with financial creditors. However, a catch is there that their loans would still continue to be treated as unsecured loans and they will have to take the maximum haircut. Secondly, when it comes to MSMEs will be exempt from the Section 29A, which bars willful defaulters, promoters and their relatives, etc. from bidding process. They will now get a preferential treatment and they will now be exempt from this particular section. Thirdly, when it comes to the voting threshold of Committee of Creditors, in critical cases, the voting threshold has been decreased from 75% to about 66%, and in general cases, it has been reduced to 51%. Overall, these changes will now be prospective in nature. As soon as the ordinance gets through, they will now be implemented in the Gazette, and then they will be notified in the IBC. Back to you.